So I wanted to show you guys how I went from this type of eczema, eating a clean vegan diet, to healing my skin to look like this. I was eating this food to get this type of skin. So essentially a clean vegan diet. No oils, no animal products, no cheese, no dairy, no meat, no eggs, no junk food. It is fruits, vegetables, grains, beans, and nuts and seeds. And within that you can find a lot of delicious food, and that's what this video is going to be about. So every single morning I start my morning off with oatmeal. I love oatmeal. It fills me up, it makes me feel good, and it's delicious. It's sweet, it's satisfying. I add berries to it, I add bananas, I add nuts, cinnamon, some maple syrup, make it taste delicious. If you have to add some sugar, some salt, that's okay. Spices, even better. Every single morning, berries, bananas, fruits, oats. That's my go-to. I want to get in fruits as many times per day, and the best way to do that is put it on top of oatmeal. Fruits are your friend when it comes to healing your skin. Whole grains especially. Here's another meal example for breakfast if you don't want to eat something sweet. I cook up some rice, I cook up some toast. Of course I still have fruit with that. But that's basically a tofu scramble. You can find recipes online. Cook it without oil, cook it in water, cook it in broth, find a way. It's basically just tofu, vegetables, and spices. I also like to eat a lot of salad, avocados, whatever vegetables you like. That's barley, that's lentils, and then of course I have some potatoes to go with that. These are my preferred foods. I don't eat foods I don't like. I love potatoes. I cook them all the time. They're not going to make you fat. They're only going to make you fat if you put a lot of oil on them, and they're definitely going to heal your skin. They are amazing foods. High in water, high in nutrients, amazing foods. Here's another meal example. This is what I cooked for lunch. It's rice with a lentil stew with some sauteed cabbage, no oil. And then I had on the side some baked potatoes and some baked tofu pieces. No oil. You want to stay away from the fats if you want to heal your skin. Here's another meal example. Again, I always like to have fresh or steamed veggies with my meal. I have here some potatoes, which are the carbs, and I have here some lentil little nuggets that I mashed up with some whole wheat flour and some rice, and that's going to be the protein part. But of course I don't think about it like that. I just think when I make my meals, where is the whole grain or the starch, and where is the bean? Here the starch is the rice, the bean is the lentil, and then the veggies are the avocados. I have salads, avocados, steamed vegetables, broccoli. These are my favorites. If you don't like cauliflower, if you don't like beets, don't eat it. Find the foods you like to eat. Find the foods that you like to prepare. Find the foods that you have time to prepare. Don't make this any harder than it has to be. Everybody complicates the simple things and simplifies the complicated things. If you want healthy skin, make it happen. Invest in your health. Cook the food. Heal the skin. That's as simple as it gets. Here I have some bean and tofu chipotle mix with some steamed potatoes, quinoa, guac, and lettuce. Sort of like a chipotle bowl, but 10 times healthier. And yes, you can heal your skin eating foods you like. You can have salt, you can have sugar, you can have spices, you can have carbs, you can have some nuts, seeds, and avocados. This is a whole foods plant-based diet. If you're not eating animal products, if you're not eating oils, and if you're not eating alcohol, coffee, and junk food, you can eat it, enjoy it. It could feel like guilty food. To me, this feels like guilty food because it's so delicious, so satisfying, and it just feels good. It gives me energy, heals my skin, makes me happy. Find the foods that love you back, folks. And then you'll have beautiful skin like this. It took me 1 year to fully recover from eczema. This is not a slow process, but it's 100% worth it. If you invest in the good foods, it will heal your skin. It does take time. Things will get harder, things will get worse, but that's just the body healing from the inside out. So give it some time, keep eating well, keep trying your best, and you will be rewarded. Have a good day, you guys.